Welcome back to Little Texas Hillbilly. Today we're going to be changing out the exhaust gasket on our golf cart that's in this shed, or shop, garage, or whatever. But first, we got to get it out. Alright, now we got to start it up. Hopefully it starts. I'm going to see if the fuel is turned off. Fuel's on. Will it start? Alright, so I just got this parked here. Now it's time to take off that exhaust pipe and put on some new gaskets that we have right here. I don't know if these are aluminum or stainless steel or something, but they'll work. And it's double nutted because that exhaust it always falls off. And one bolt is a 12, one bolt is a 13, so I've got to use a 13 and 12. And I realized that exhaust is a little hot, so I got gloves on, but let's swap out that gasket. We just got those bolts off. Now it's time to put on the gasket, this thing, and I figured out it wasn't double nutted. It actually just had a lock ring, so I didn't need the other 13. Here's the gasket. So I gotta get my gloves on again and throw this on. Okay. Off. Alright, there we go. Here's the old gasket, just nothing is, come on, focus. Nothing is on there. It's just falling apart. That's why this thing's so loud. Oh, come on. Alright, I showed my dad the gasket that doesn't fit, but he actually had a solution. He said that some gaskets, they come like kind of like a wrench. It's slid out right there, and if I take these little cutter things and cut it, it'll probably fit. And he said that it's just the middle surface that is the sealer, like this part right here. Now let's go see if this will work. Moment of truth. Question mark? I took a little tiny bit more off it. Hopefully this fits. One side. On. Other side. Come on. Oh, yes. I'm gonna put on those bolts and put on the exhaust pipe. There, not there. I got the gasket on, but I think that I kind of messed that one up, so I don't know if this exhaust pipe is ever going to come back off. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. And I figured out that it's not double nutted. It's just a spacer right there, and it's got a lock ring or lock washer or whatever, and just a normal nut. So I didn't need that 13. So that was good. But let's get it started. All right, let's throw in the seat cover, or the engine cover seat. All right, finally, we get to start it and see how it sounds. Key on, start. So much quieter.
Sounds perfect. Good job, bud. Well done. Awesome. Yes. Kick butt, bud.
So much quieter. Yeah. Should I park there? Be it for today's video. Thanks for watching.